does really naming matter when writing code? So I just wanted to pose this question. For example, if you're writing your code, do you always take caution of the naming that you're using? For example, uh, I got this question from one of my fellows, and then he asked me, he was like, "Do Chinese write their code in Chinese?" Not really, because programming languages are most of them are written in English and everything. I don't know if they have their own programming languages. Maybe if they have, but for these ones which we know, like for example Java and everything, they can be able to write in like the text in Chinese, but the real code is as how we use it. We the ones who use English, and so the debate was if you're to name your variables or your anything within the programming language, whatever you're doing within your code, you should always use like real names like you relate to the environment you're in. If you're developing a chat application and you're working on a user, maybe let's say a user data model, don't find instead of putting name, you're putting like maybe X or maybe Y, Z, because literally, if that project is to scale, then no one is going to understand those things. Now, what if you're not around who will be able to interpret those things? Because uh, good developers and engineers don't just write code for them to be able to understand. Even other people should be able to understand it. So as we are programming and writing that code, please let's ensure that its naming convention is really okay, and also the variables can be read and understood. Let's structure it in real life examples like objects and everything, not just random names. You can also use Chinese if at all you're from China, or maybe you like Chinese. Who knows? But yeah, for now, uh, let's try to make meaningful variables.